Have you ever wondered how you can make money while driving? Well, the answer might be simpler than you think. Welcome to the world of Hive Mapper, a revolutionary project that's taken the concept of street view imagery to a whole new level. Imagine having a dash cam in your vehicle, not just for safety, but to contribute to a global mapping initiative, capturing your everyday routes and turning them into valuable data. Here's the kicker. HiveMapper does this at a pace that leaves even Google Maps street view cars in the dust. In just 3 short months, HiveMapper has mapped over 1 million kilometers worldwide. That's 5 times faster than our friends at Google. Impressive, isn't it? But we're not just about speed. HiveMapper believes in rewarding its contributors. Enter honey tokens, a form of cryptocurrency that you earn based on the quality and location of your images. Just drive, capture, and earn. So you see, HiveMapper not only offers you an opportunity to contribute to a worldwide mapping project, but also pays you for it. Now you must be wondering, how do I get started with HiveMapper? Well, hold on tight, because we're about to dive right in. The first step is to get your hands on the HiveMapper dashcam. This device is currently retailing for $399, a small investment that pays dividends in the form of honey tokens. The price can fluctuate depending upon updates and availability. Once you've got your dashcam, it's time to install it. This is a breeze. Simply affix it to your car's windshield, connect it to your vehicle's power supply, and you're good to go. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Now, the dashcam is not just for mapping. It can record 8 to 10 hours of your drive time, offering added security and peace of mind. It's like having an extra pair of eyes on the road. The final step is to connect your dashcam to the HiveMapper app. This is where you'll upload your imagery and start earning honey tokens. The app is user-friendly and intuitive, making the entire process a walk in the park. And there you have it, folks. You're all set to start earning while you're on the road. But wait, there's more. Want to know how to maximize your earnings with HiveMapper? Listen closely. Your ticket to earning more honey tokens lies in the quality and location of your images. Make sure you're capturing clear, high-resolution footage, free from glare or obstructions. The better the quality, the more tokens you stand to earn. And it's not just about quality, but also about where you're driving. Areas less covered by HiveMapper are more valuable. So venture into those uncharted territories and watch your honey tokens stack up. Here's a special tip for fleet drivers. The HiveMapper dashcam isn't just a tool for earning cryptocurrency, it's also your safety companion on the road. Use its recording feature to your advantage in case of accidents, all while contributing to the HiveMapper project and earning those sweet honey tokens. With these tips, you're well on your way to making the most out of your HiveMapper experience. So let's take a moment to recap what we've learned today about making money with HiveMapper. HiveMapper is an innovative project that's revolutionizing the way we map the world, using the power of dashcams to capture street view imagery. This isn't just about mapping, though. It's about turning the everyday act of driving into a source of income. Getting started is a breeze. All you need is the HiveMapper dashcam, which is more than just a tool for mapping. It's a safety feature recording 8 to 10 hours of drive time that can be invaluable in case of accidents. And it's not just for individual drivers. Fleet drivers can also benefit from this innovative combination of safety and income generation. Maximizing your earnings with HiveMapper is all about the quality and location of your images. The better your images, the more honey tokens you can earn. And these tokens aren't just digital confetti, they're a type of cryptocurrency that can be exchanged for real-world value. Who knew that driving could be so rewarding? With HiveMapper, you're not just hitting the road, you're paving the way to a more mapped and monetized world. This is a direct quote from Dale Calvert, the owner of this channel. I originally covered HiveMapper on my other YouTube channel when most were calling it a scam. At the time, the token was worth about 1 penny, but over the last 30 days it has shot up to 18 cents, and many experts feel it will continue to rise higher. We featured this in our Plug and Play Crypto report, available free at plugandplaycrypto.com. I just wanted to encourage you to take a serious look and do your research on this project. We will put a link in the description of this video to the original info we published at cmgcrypto.com about HiveMapper. Depending on how much you drive, your return on the investment in your camera can happen very quickly. This is a great way to get paid for driving. Much success, and we hope you will consider subscribing to this channel. End quote.